I like to have the option to choose where I'm going to get my car serviced, right? So I don't want to just have to get pigeonholed into going directly back to the dealership. I want to be able to choose whether I can go to the independent repair shop down the street, or if I so choose to go back to the dealer.
Let's call it what it is. It is too expensive to go to the dealer, use dealer parts from a dealer network. No, I want to go to my guy who I know is buying parts at the right price and giving me a good deal on the labor.
The right to repair is incredibly important to drivers. We believe that having that data and having access to the data on your car is your right. It allows you to take your car where you want to go, to have it worked on by the mechanic that you trust.
If drivers don't have the right to repair, it'll have a devastating impact not only on our industry, but on people's lives. And I know that sounds melodramatic to some degree, but if you can't get your car fixed close to your home and be able to get your kids to school or get to work, you're out of luck.
We, the motorists, the motoring public, we control our own destiny here with Right to Repair. You need to get with your elected official, call your lawmaker, encourage them to support H.R. 906. Encourage your lawmaker to support the right to repair.